I'm on the range today with my Staccato C, which I just got back from Tampa GunWerx with some fresh new ports in it. And they did my Taurus GX4 carry a while back, and man, that thing was super flat after it got back to me. So I'm looking forward to shooting this and seeing how it runs. These are my first shots with it, and the Staccato C was already a really soft shooting gun, so I'm excited to try these out. Let's give it a run. Wow, first impressions. That was flatter than I expected, to be honest. Jesus. Let's run another mag. Man. Wow, that is flat. Like, real soft shooting. We're gonna check this out on slow-mo too, but wow. All right, I got some more ammo, but first, before we run some more, let's talk about what are ports. So ports are holes in the top of your barrel, although I've seen some do it in the side, whatever your flavor is. And then you have a window cut, and what this does is it allows the gases as they're moving down your barrel to come out the top. And this forces your muzzle back down, so it makes it softer because it's not feeling as snappy, and it makes it flatter because it's not flipping as high. And that allows you to get faster, more accurate follow-up shots, and it's just more fun to shoot. So let's run some more ammo through it. And man, even with this acro, you know, these are notorious for having a small window. That dot is not leaving that window. I'm thoroughly impressed with it, actually. And turnaround time for Tampa, I think for me, was about 2 weeks. And that's sending it to Florida and getting it back from Florida. And so the actual work time was pretty good. Didn't have to wait too long for it. And man, I tell you what, these are nice. This is working out. Let's get a reload in here. So if you're wondering, should I port my carry gun? Really, that's a decision you're gonna have to make. You know, some people don't like it because they think it gets stuff in your face, which, you know, if you're shooting from retention, you can feel it, but at the same time, you know, what's worse? Being assaulted or having a little bit of gases and heat come up in your face? So that's for you to decide. I like to port my carry guns because it's just more fun that way. Man, that is flat and that is soft. Tampa did a great job on these, to be honest. This is great. I've shot this Staccato C a lot before I sent it to them, and it's a noticeable difference. I had a few hundred rounds through it, but noticeable difference between the muzzle rise and the sharpness of recoil. It really tamed it a lot. And especially shooting these doubles, man, it's just pow-pow right there. So I kind of want to take a second to address the people that are worried about the gases and stuff coming up into their face. Honestly, it's not that big of a deal. And when you're shooting from retention, you really want to turn your firearm to a 45-degree angle anyway. You don't want to straight up and down. If anything, it's because your body can interfere with the slide. So you turn it, give yourself some room. That way you don't get in the way, but also you don't have any of your muzzle blasts getting in your eyes either. But I'm going to fire a few rounds here. Close range, super short distance, near my body, just to show you it's fine. Now don't get me wrong, I can feel the muzzle blast, but it's not hurting me. It's not getting in my face. It's not smacking me with any debris or anything. And it's certainly not doing anything that's gonna cause any injury. You know, in real life, you might not be able to have safety glasses and stuff on, but what's worse, right? On the range, definitely wear safety glasses. But that's also the cool thing about these infinity targets is they're not steel, so you can practice this close to them. Not that bad. Let me shout out Infinity Targets real quick for sending me this target to check out. These self-healing targets, man, these are super convenient on the range. You don't have to change anything, just spray paint it. Good as new. Man, and I gotta say, these ports really make it easy to run fast. And by run fast, I just mean shoot it quickly, but shoot it quickly, accurately. because you can shoot it fast, but if you're not shooting it accurately, well, what's the point? But man, these ports really make it easy to run this fast. And the recoil is so light. And if you're a good shooter, man, you're going to be stacking shots on top of each other easily. Now, it seems like ports and compensators are really becoming all the EDC rage. Lots of companies are coming out with ported guns. I just did a review on the OA Defense 2311 Compact. They have a Compact Pro model that has ports in it. You can get, the Springfield Echelon shipping with ports in their guns. I think Smith & Wesson is sending them out now. Springfield Prodigy, it's on the Prodigy, you can get it there, ports and comps. So a lot of companies are transitioning to these ported guns, these comped guns. And, it's something that's been a long time coming. I think there's a reason for it. I think there are benefits to it. And I think if you get behind one, you really see what it is. Now, do you need to upgrade your carry gun? No, but if you want to, it's really easy to find barrels and slides out there, full complete uppers that go together. Or there's companies like Tampa GunWerx where you can send your firearm to and have them mill it out, professionally done, and you get it back and everything runs great, right? Now, I don't know if it's worth the money to you or not. That's up for you to decide, but I think there are real benefits to it. And aside from that, man, it's really, really fun. And having a gun that's enjoyable to shoot really makes you want to train with it. I tell you, I want to keep shooting this. I've already got a couple hundred rounds through this now, and well, a few hundred, honestly. And I just want to keep shooting it. It's so much fun. And I knew the ports were going to have an effect on it. I didn't think it was going to be this much, to be honest, especially on a long gun like this. Wow, really takes that bite out of it. So what do you think? Do you think you should port your gun? Do you think porting your EDC is a good choice? Do you think there's benefits to having a ported gun? I'm just some guy on the internet, so let me know your thoughts. Leave them in the comments. I'll try to respond to everyone, man. Would you port it? Would you not port it? I love it.